Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Watermelon drawing. Today we draw a summer fruit, watermelon. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a big curve. To draw the watermelon, again, we draw parallelly a curve inside it. Next, we draw watermelon seed. Watermelons are large, juicy fruits with a vibrant red flesh and a refreshing, sweet taste. Red color. They typically have a green rind and small, dark seeds. Watermelons are a great source of hydration and contain vitamins and antioxidants. They are often enjoyed during summer, especially on hot days. Watermelons can be eaten fresh, used in fruit salads, or even blended into juices. Watermelon is centuries-old fruit that is juicy and sweet, and many view it as a perfect treat to quench your thirst during summer heat. With a bright, red flesh and little seeds embedded throughout, watermelon is packed trusted source. With a plethora of nutrients and antioxidants that include vitamins A and C, now we enjoy it. Green color. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Mangoes are called the king of fruits. Hello kids. Do you like mango? So let's start. At first, we draw the cutting part. Next, we start the drawing with curve. We draw the leaves of the mango. Mangoes are a popular tropical fruit, known for their sweet and juicy flesh, and are widely enjoyed, especially during summer. Now, it's time to coloring. Red color. Mangoes come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, with ripe mangoes typically displaying shades of yellow, green, or red. They are rich in vitamins and minerals, providing nutritional benefits alongside their delicious taste. Mangoes can be consumed fresh, used in various dishes like juices and shakes, or preserved as jams or pickles. Recolor it very carefully. Red color. Green color. Green color. Wow! It's so beautiful. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artist. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first we draw the cutting part. Then we draw the leaves. We draw some small lines into the leaves. Next, we draw the body part. Here we draw a big circle. To draw the orange. Now, it's time to coloring. Green color. Green color. Oranges are delicious and healthy citrus fruit. They are round and have a bright orange color. Oranges grow on trees in groves. The skin of an orange can be peeled to reveal juicy segments. Orange color. Oranges are known for their sweet and sour taste. They are a great source of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps keep our bodies healthy and strong. Oranges can be eaten as a snack or juiced. Orange juice is a popular breakfast drink. Some oranges are sweet, while others are more sour. Oranges are a good source of fiber. Fiber helps with digestion. They are also a source of potassium and other minerals. Oranges can be found in many parts of the world. Brazil is a major producer of oranges. Oranges can help protect you from getting sick. Eating oranges can boost your energy. Oranges are refreshing and tasty fruit to enjoy. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.